What if I told you Ethereum is just 4% away from its all-time high right now? Or that one exchange token just exploded 126% after burning 75% of its supply? Today on Crypto Pulse, we're breaking down the most explosive market moves happening right now that could change everything for your portfolio. Let's dive in. Hey, crypto family. Alex from Moonward Capital here with your Crypto Pulse flash update for August 13th, 2025. If you're new here, twice a day we deliver the most important crypto market developments in just 6 minutes to keep you ahead of the crowd. Today's market is absolutely on fire, so let's get straight into what's happening and why it matters to your investment strategy. Ethereum is making a historic move right now, surging to $4,783. That's up 6.17% in just 24 hours and sitting only 4% below its all-time high of 4,978. But here's what makes this truly significant. We're seeing record-breaking ETF inflows of $523.4 million into Ethereum. That's nearly 8 times Bitcoin's inflows of just $66.32 million. This isn't just a random price pump. What we're witnessing is a fundamental institutional rotation from Bitcoin toward utility-focused assets. The data is crystal clear. Bitcoin dominance has crashed below 60% for the first time in months, signaling that smart money is recognizing Ethereum's programmable utility over Bitcoin's store of value narrative. While Ethereum's surge is impressive, OKB just delivered one of the most explosive tokenomics events we've seen in years. OKX has announced they're burning a staggering 65.2 million OKB tokens, reducing the total supply from 86 million down to just 21 million. That's a 75% reduction in supply, creating Bitcoin-like scarcity virtually overnight. The market's reaction? OKB has absolutely detonated, surging 126% following the announcement as traders recognize the massive supply shock. This isn't just about short-term price action. This demonstrates how strategic tokenomics optimization can create sustainable value, especially in bull markets where scarcity premiums are amplified. Meanwhile, Solana has finally shattered the $200 psychological barrier with an explosive 10.76% surge in the last 24 hours. This validates the Solana summer narrative we've been tracking, as both meme coin activity and DeFi TVL on Solana reached 3-year highs. With this decisive break past $200, technical analysts are now looking at potential targets in the 250-plus range as momentum builds. Let's quickly examine the broader market context surrounding these explosive moves. DeFi is up an incredible 57.75% as AI finance maturation accelerates. DeFi has surged 21.94% on research funding increases. AI agents are up 20.02% as utility adoption grows. L2 scaling solutions gain 19.48% with infrastructure focus. And CEX platforms rose 23.56% amid the exchange token rally. The overall market cap now stands at $2.42 trillion, with 24-hour volume of $52.3 billion. In derivatives, we're seeing extremely bullish funding rates, ETH at 0.99% and BTC at 0.92%, with shorts getting absolutely dominated in liquidations. So what does all this mean for your strategy? First, Ethereum's approach to its all-time high combined with record institutional flows creates a potential supply shock scenario. With only 12% of ETH remaining available on exchanges, we could see explosive price action if it breaks the $4,178 level. Second, keep a close eye on Bitcoin dominance. If it breaks below 58%, that could trigger the explosive alt season everyone's been waiting for. Third, Solana's $200 break validates alternative L1 narratives, potentially opening the floodgates for broader ecosystem growth. And finally, OKB's tokenomics revolution demonstrates how strategic supply reduction can create immediate value, a model other exchange tokens might follow. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to get these Crypto Pulse updates the moment they drop. For more detailed insights on these developing stories, check out our in-depth depth charge analysis on the Moonward Capital website. Link in the description. With ETH just 4% from its all-time high while institutional flows rotate 8.1 from Bitcoin, do you think we're witnessing the moment Ethereum flips the institutional narrative? Will Solana's $200 break catalyze the broader alt season? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Alex with Moonward Capital's Crypto Pulse Update. Remember, sometimes generational wealth is created when institutional capital recognizes utility over speculation. And that rotation is happening in real time right now. Stay ahead of the crowd, and I'll see you in the next update.